This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the Pro Edition, the Max version of the iPhone 11. As you can see, it's thicker than the regular iPhone 11, but that's not the only thing that's noticeably different on the exterior of the phone. I'll go ahead and show you. This is the camera system that everyone's up in a roar about. Some people like it, some people love it, and some people hate it. As you can see, there's 3 cameras mounted on the back. There's a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto lens on the back, as well as a camera. And I'm not sure if this is a speaker, or a microphone, or a light sensor. I'm not sure. I think it's a microphone. Anyway, there's 3 cameras on the back. As you can see, it comes out of the phone a little bit. You see, it's not flush. So that's one thing people are complaining about, but it doesn't really bother me. Like once I put it inside of a case, it should be fine. As you can see, I got the space gray. It's sleek on the back. It's aluminum, not glass. And then on the front side, it is glass right here, and it's smooth all the way to the edge. I'm gonna go ahead and power this up. As you can see, before we get started, there are the knobs, the switches on the side, pretty much standard, like as in the previous models. Right here, nothing much else has changed. So I'm going to go ahead and power this up. I'm just going to go ahead and power it up by pressing the power button on the side. Alright, hold it down for a little bit. And as you can see, the power button is coming on, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. Alright, and while it's loading, I'll just show you some of the other features over here. Right here is the cable that comes with it. Alright, there's a charger, an 18-watt charger that comes with it. You see it has that right there. Plug it in, saying hello. Alright, and it's just going to get started. Hola. And it's your typical startup. As you can see the screen, it's almost like to the edge for how much screen coverage it has. I'm just going to get started with it. My first impressions of it, it is pretty nice, pretty much standard like the rest of them. I can't wait to get the camera. If you subscribe, I will go through like what the different camera options are. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to get going with this. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.